Hi everyone, I'm Shonda Draughn with Muse Realty Group in Compass, and I'm here to welcome you to 109 North Guthrie Avenue, where we have not one, but two stunning, newly built, modern homes right here in the heart of East Durham. Just moments from downtown, these newly constructed residences boast open concept layouts, contemporary elegance, and are crafted with the finest finishes. With 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, these homes offer functional space and a great contemporary design. Enjoy the convenience of urban living while experiencing the tranquility of this vibrant neighborhood. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own one of these exceptional residences in a prime location. Embrace the essence of modern living at 109 North Guthrie Avenue. To schedule a showing, or if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or any of the ladies at Muse Realty Group, and we'd be more than happy to help.